Hey guys, this is Kristen with the Crafty Notebook, and today we're going to review how to apply a vinyl decal to a coffee mug. This is the finished product. You need a few things to get started: a coffee mug or a cup of your choice, a vinyl decal, a squeegee or credit card, and a folded towel. The first thing you should do is clean off your mug with some rubbing alcohol. Next, we're going to prep our decal. Take your squeegee, make a few passes. The decal should stick to the clear transfer paper. If it doesn't, you can lay it back down, make a pass again, and then remove the paper backing. Be careful not to touch the decal with your fingers. Find the center of the cup and then lay the decal. Next, you take your squeegee and you squeegee all the parts of the decal. Make sure you focus specifically on the smaller details. They tend to not stick as easily as the larger ones. Pick a corner and start to slowly peel off the clear tape. Your decal should stick to your cup. If it doesn't, simply just put the tape back and then make another pass with the squeegee. And your project is complete. Thank you for watching our video. Make sure you subscribe. You can find us on Facebook and Instagram at The Crafty Notebook and also at thecraftynotebook.com. Bye.